We had someone in our community the other day say they were struggling on their negative pull-ups, even with the band. So if you're struggling to even unlock your first pull-up, because obviously you're struggling on negatives, they're trying to build to your first pull-up, then let me showcase the way. Now, what is a negative pull-up? Well, a negative is where you either use a box or you jump up to the bar, so you're in the top hold position. So I'll show you with the jump. So you're up here, or you use a box to get up here, and then you're slowly going back down. Now, the point of a negative is so that eventually you can do the pull-up without the box, without the jump, just straight up, right? Even with a band, sometimes you've either done the jump or you're on the box with the band around your feet and you're still not managing. Well, here are a few tips. So either double / triple / quadruple up on bands. So you've got like 4 or 5 bands around your feet, right? Oh, that's my band snapped. Imagine. So either you're still on a box or you're going to jump and you've got 3 or 4 bands around you. So you can get to the top position, like so, and slowly go down. Now that wasn't the best demonstration at all. That also just pings up my back. My back red. Oh God. Okay, I think I'm demonstrating now why maybe that's not the best. It's not. Oh fuck that. I think I've just demonstrated why perhaps doing that for the negatives isn't the best way of doing it. But what's most likely happening if you're struggling to do negative pull-ups is you don't have the strength in your lats, which is your back muscles. Now, to train that, honestly, the drill you're going to want to do is Australian rows. Now let me showcase. So you're going to want to be doing Australian rows. Now you choose how steep you are. You know, you could be up here doing them like this, which will be a lot easier. But the trick to grow your lats is to keep your lats engaged. So pull up, hold, slow on the descent, and then increase the angle. And you want to keep increasing the angle until eventually you're beneath the bar like this. You're rowing up, holding, slow descent. Row up, hold, slow descent. Now obviously you can, again, like I say, do it from up here and slowly increase that angle as you get stronger and stronger. As you hold at the top and slowly descend, your lats are going to grow, and then you'll be able to do the negative pull-up unband assisted. So you know, you'll be able to jump, top position, slowly descend, or like I say, stepping off a box, whatever, or using a singular band. But I mean, try not to do what I did with the band. And then keep on top of your Australian row training. Throw in a few of these negative ones once you've gone to grips with the rows, and then before you know it, you'll be pulling up. So if you like this video, then give me a subscribe and join my fitness community. Link in the description. See you there.